This okra soup, oh my goodness, was so delicious. Very easy to prepare, and I am very sure you are going to love it. Okay, if today is the first time here, this is Lena and we do easy cooking recipes here. So if that is the content you love, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have red fish or red snappers and round-scarred fish here. I cleaned it very well with my lemon juice. Okay, now I've added my salt. I'll make sure I add enough. Okay, and then add some water to it. Let it stay for at least 30 minutes. And we are not going to use only salt. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and this is the type I'm using. So that will stay for at least 30 minutes. Then we proceed. Now I have fish head here. I'm just going to add some ginger, garlic, onion, and my fish seasoning, then put it into a boil, okay, or steam it. I like the fish head. No one will eat that. That's why I decided to choose only the fish head, okay. That's just by the way. Now I have with me here my fresh okra, okay. I am just going to wash it very well and then cut it. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. I am very, very, very grateful. Okay, thank you so much. Please, after watching this, do not hesitate to share to others. Thank you so much. Now, after 30 minutes, my fish are resting on the rack. I'm going to bake this or grill this in my oven, and when I'm done, I will get back to you. So I personally, I don't like blending my okra, okay, or I never saw my mom doing that, okay, but you know, blending it will reduce the work. So if that is what you want, you go ahead and do it, but I have never done that before. And this is how, when you go to the Volta region, we prepare our okra. So I prefer cutting them than blending it. Even if the okra is plenty, I will never blend it, okay. Yeah, that is just by the way. So when cutting it, if you don't want to cut your hand, this is what you are going to do. You just wrap something around your finger and then you cut the okra. That will not cut your hand like how you are seeing in my hand is looking. Now I have my cow skin here. I'm going to prepare it perfectly and then I will get back to you. I have a video on my channel how I prepare my cow skin. You will love it. Now I'm done cutting all the okra. I will add some more water, let it stay on fire for just a minute, and then use something to pound it on fire to activate the sliminess. After that, I will leave it on fire for about 3 minutes again, and then I will get back to you. Now our wole or cow skin is ready. You can see it looks so beautiful. Yeah, so in my pot I have my jomi. I'm just going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then add everything that will add taste to the soup right now. So whether it is salt, whether it is your seasoning, just go ahead and add it. Please, this is not okra stew, because I brought you similar recipe. Someone was arguing with me that it is okra stew. It is not. Okay, so far as there is no tomatoes there, it is not stew. This is one of the methods we use to prepare our okra soup in the Volta region. In some parts of Volta, yeah. Now after it has fried perfectly, I'm just going to add my water to that and then let it stay on fire for some few minutes. Then I will introduce my produce. Now the fish is ready, so we are just going to add this to the ingredients we have on fire. Then we are good to go. Are you still with me? Thank you if you are. Please do not forget to share to others. So I will add my cow skin and then add all the proteins I'm supposed to add. Now I've added the fish as well. I'll be adding the fish I steamed or I cooked. as well. So at this point, I am not going to add any seasoning, being pepper or any seasoning that is salty to my soup. I'm not going to do that because I have enough there. I have enough in the fish. I have enough when I was preparing the seasoning. Okay, I mean the pepper, ginger, garlic. So I'm not going to add anything again. Now I've added the okra. It looks very slimy to me, and I will just increase the fire to reduce the sliminess a bit, and then we are good to go. I'll give it a stir, and just look at that, so delicious. I have a recipe that the okra was very slimy because a family visited, and that is how he likes his okra, and I wanted him to feel at home, so I prepared it that way. I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon. I'll go ahead and add my red fish and then allow it to be on fire. At this moment, it has been on fire for some time, and our soup is looking so delicious and almost ready. I introduced my mushroom, and just look at that. The soup is ready. Okay, so after we were done eating, this is what was left. I poured it here so that I can get my beautiful thumbnail, and just look at that, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to share to others. Do not forget to like this video, and the most important part is leave me a comment. I will be very happy to read your comment. Till I come your way next time, always remember to do good but love yourself first. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.